Hello, Chaloner Middle School students and families. I'm Angela Mallory, principal, and I'm joined by Jen Ott, Kirkwin, two assistant principals here. Due to COVID, unfortunately, we can't welcome you physically to our campus this year, but rest assured, your teachers have been working very hard to prepare exciting and challenging lessons for you to do while you're at home.
We know all of you are wondering what to expect. Will this look like it did last year at the end of the school year? No, it will look nothing like that. Yes, we are doing virtual learning again, but this time your teachers are going to be live, interacting with you and your classmates, giving live virtual instruction. It will be recorded and loaded up so that you have the options to go back and watch it when needed. You will have actual grades this time from your warm-ups and assignments that are given to you, as well as tests and quizzes. So we are kicking off this school year strong, even if we are at home. We're wishing you all could walk through the doors on Monday morning, but at this time we have to all stay safe and see what we can do to better prepare and be ready for what's coming on soon.
Your Chromebooks are going to be vital for you this coming up school year. Please take proper care of them. Please make sure you have them charged every day, ready for class. We're looking really forward for you to come through the doors and coming to see you. We hope you stay safe, and when we see you, we're expecting to have great and fun and educational times. From the CMS staff and from the administrative staff, have a blessed day.